Sadness.
Totally using that sound.
No!
That was
I
awesome.
suck at this.
This is the funnest part. The winning part doesn't have to be the funnest part. Just hanging out with you and unboxing these is funny. Hey everybody, back with another fun video. This time, Mr. Beast's Feastable candy bars. Also be watching this video for our winning code. I was just gonna make a short video, but my daughter's commentary is so awesome and so funny, I decided to leave it in. Let's get to it. Hello everybody, this is Kismet. We are unboxing a box of Mr. Beast candies. I got my 3 daughters here. They're gonna open it up and take a look. All right, let's see what we got. Now this is from Feastables, and we got ourselves a sticker, which I'm sure is going to disappear very quickly. Since we bought so much candy, we got ourselves a Mr. Beast bar t-shirt, which they're going to have to fight over because I'm going to give it to one of them.
What? It's fine.
Well, that'll be decided later. Now they get to choose which ones they got. So hold it up real close here so they can see which type we got first. Up a little bit more. There we go. So we got Mr. Beast. We got all 3 different types, and they get to choose one of the different types because those 2 are twins over there. Those 2 are twins, and this one is the oldest one. So the youngest one gets to pick first. I'd just like to point out at this moment, because they're twins, she's actually 1 minute younger than her sister. And then you got to take it out of the box. That's the hard part.
Oh my gosh. Oh, there's boxes.
Yeah, there's 10 in there each.
That's cool.
You don't get all 10, just so you know. All right, so which one did you pick? Which one did you pick?
I picked the quinoa crunch chocolate.
Oh, that sounds good. Which one did you pick?
I got the original chocolate.
Oh, that's good too. And
The almond chocolate?
almond chocolate. All right, well, crack them open and let's see what's inside and try them out.
There's tape on it.
Wow.
Good observation still.
No, it's fine. We got it.
I don't.
got it.
I don't at all. I need the scissors.
Wow, look at that. Wow.
They look very fancy.
All right, show it to us first before you nom-nom them all.
Look at this color palette.
Ow.
Very pretty.
All right, open them up, try them out. I'd just like to point out that sometimes this stuff was so hard to open that I could swear that Mr. Beast was trolling us.
You can't open
Now, if you get a chocolate factory, make sure to let us know for your golden ticket.
There's no golden ticket.
Like,
Number 1, no golden ticket.
Cool.
It smells like
No.
cocoa. Look at that.
That's how chocolate smells. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, it
what is
says
it? Hold it up
share
closer.
on
What is it?
it.
It's got it on there?
At the top, it says share. So
Share.
that's the part you share, and then the
Share.
part on the
Devour.
bottom is the part you
Oh, the little part at the top is the part you share and the bottom
Yes.
is devour?
Oh, that's so cool.
Nice.
It's like,
Yes.
wait, that's so cool. And
Yeah.
then it gets smaller. That's so cool.
All right, try it out.
Not very good. It's really good. You put the shirt in this.
Let's take some. This says you should get a chocolate factory just for getting the thing off of there.
Ooh, that's loud.
Look at this chocolate all over your hands. One of my daughters volunteered to take off the stickers and to open up all the candy bars to look for a golden ticket. That's because we only have 3 months and we don't want to open them later and realize we had a golden ticket in there somewhere. And while unboxing these, I had a great time and I think she had a great time as well. You guys be the judge down in the comments down below. You're gonna love your little happy face on your hand.
Oh my god. I might have just broken it, but it's okay.
It tastes just as good broken.
Never mind. I got it.
This looks a lot easier than it was, but my daughter's struggling to get these off of here. I don't know, I think it's harder to get the codes off than to actually win the game.
Seeing as we haven't won anything yet.
At this point, my daughter's taking the codes off, and I'm putting them into the website. No, I don't expect to win anything. See,
Yeah.
See, if you go in it with the proper expectations, then
It's
then
like
you're not
that
gonna be so
one
disappointed.
line from the Spider-Man movie. She said, if you expect disappointment, then you won't get disappointed.
That's very true. So I expected not to win because the chances of her intercepting.
Yeah, we're not gonna really win anything except for that one video.
But we'd make an amazing video if
We
all
win
of a sudden,
lots of chocolate.
well, you get the
awesome.
chocolate. See, that's the thing. It's not like we
Yeah.
bought a lotto ticket where you get you get a piece of paper at the end. You know what I mean? You actually
Yeah.
get the chocolate at the end.
Like, my nail is starting to hurt. That's how hard it is to peel these things off. Especially on the crunchy ones, because they have, like, the, hard, texture on the back of them.
I didn't win at this time. What a not surprise.
Why is it so hard to get these off of here?
That's the one.
Yes.
There you go.
To be honest, all of those prizes are really
Right here,
good.
Tesla, come on. Think Tesla. Tesla.
Tesla.
Oh.
Oh, no.
No Tesla.
The quinoa crunch one.
I'm glad you said it because I would have said it wrong.
I think these ones might be my favorite. The crunch ones.
I think so too. Those are
Yeah.
really good. We won!
That's awesome.
All right.
More chocolate.
Now I'm probably going to do is give that $5 code away in the video.
Nice. Ooh, these ones are pink. You would have thought it would have been easier to peel these ones off because it's the original one. Oh, this one's sticking to it. Oh, the codes are not coming off on this paper. Oh, well,
Yeah, good.
never mind.
Yeah. I'm thinking from the top seems easier than the bottom because they seem to come off from the top. It's weird.
Try it to get it off from the top. Yeah, it's easier from the top. It doesn't stick.
Which one was that one?
Sadness.
Totally using that sound.
No.
It's perfect, baby girl. I'm just gonna, all these little tidbits of stuff. I'm having more fun just talking to you. This is the funnest part. The winning part doesn't have to be the funnest part. Just hanging out with you and unboxing these is funny.
Oh, you think I'm funny?
Not winning.
Yay, I got it to not stick to the paper.
Look, you're getting better. See, always like the last couple's the one where you start getting the groove in.
Yeah. This is like chipping off my nail polish. It's kind of sad.
Well, I think Mr. Beast will have to reimburse you for the nail polish.
This is the last one in all of them, by the way. I should probably mention that before.
Oh, that's the last one you're peeling off?
Yeah. Oh no.
And the last one has to be all misty.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. You spin the last one.
Tesla. I had horrible luck too, so.
Well, your luck is better than my luck. Here we
Which
go.
mouse
Tesla,
is it, this
car,
one?
car. Yeah, it's hit spin to win. Car,
Tesla,
car,
Tesla,
win,
Tesla,
win,
Tesla,
win, win. Think
Tesla.
win, 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 win. Ah! All right, let's go ahead and open up all the rest of these and see if there's a golden ticket in there. So here, you look inside, and then I'll put them in the plastic bag.
Okay, which one should I start with?
Your prerogative.
My what?
Your prerogative.
Oh.
That means it's your choice.
Yeah, I'm gonna start with the
Sorry,
almond
did I
one.
use fancy words?
Yeah. It's too late. I'll
Because
just
you don't want to rip the golden ticket.
Yeah, well,
No golden ticket?
no. I don't think so.
Nope.
These were so hard to open that I had to resort to extreme measures.
I don't know how to use this.
Okay, so what you do is you press this button and then you squeeze the trigger.
Like,
And then what you do is you cut across like that. It's kind of like one of those cutters.
okay. That sucked. Okay.
Okay. Well, try to do better next time.
Yeah. Oh, no. I don't think so. Smoother that time. Nope. Oh, that sucked. Okay. I'm gonna cry.
Just peel it open now.
Okay, fine. It's not open. Okay, that's upsetting. This is so sad.
Use that.
Oh, that one actually was kind of good that time. Hello? Nope. Oh no. Just gotta keep going. Hello? Right, it's okay. Well, that was horrible. I'm gonna smile at my pain.
You want to go real fast when you're doing it.
You said to go really fast. Just trying to make me miserable. I understand. It's okay.
I'm using all these sound bites. You want to say all this stuff? I'm gonna use them.
No.
I'll let you watch
It's
the
just
video.
my personality, okay?
I know, it's wonderful.
Don't use that.
I'm totally using it.
No.
I'm using the part where you say, don't use that.
No. Now I'm sad.
Sad? It's all fun.
Well, it's not like any of my friends like
yeah, they're not gonna be watching my YouTube anyway.
They might though.
I doubt it. It's gonna find my little YouTube. That was awesome.
I suck at this. So I tried.
I don't know
and
if
it
that
didn't-
thing was made for opening candy bars, but
No. This is why I said the scissors. Can I use the scissors? I give up. It's scissor time. Tear strip. Doing the candy more.
you don't want to miss that moment where you open the golden ticket and bang.
It'd be even sketchier if it was off screen. Because then it'd be like, did that really happen? Share. I really like this color palette. Like, it's like really cute. Keep like almost setting the scissors
It's
down.
like the 80s pastels.
I know, it's great.
It'll be the last one.
Totally. These are very fun to open.
Nope. Well, at least it was fun opening chocolate bars, right? You think
Yeah, it
fun?
was fun.
As a parent, you always try to do fun things with your kids, but sometimes you have real memorable moments. I know she'll remember the time in which her daddy had the crazy idea to buy a bunch of Mr. Beast bars, and we opened them together. While I didn't win a Tesla or $500,000 that I could use to buy them braces or help them get to college, we did have a fun afternoon of opening some candy bars. And just for fun, we'll throw in some extra bloopers.
Hi guys, I'm here. I'm the tallest, guys.
Okay, I'm recording, so let's go to it.
As you can see here, my daughter has mastered the side eye, the same look that my wife gives me when she's about to suspiciously say, uh-huh.
Here, guys.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna.
It is layered. Hey
Okay.
guys. Okay. Hola,
Okay.
como se dice?
I thought we were gonna cut my fingers off. No, don't. I wanted to keep that.
You want to keep this? Which one do you not want to keep?
I wanted to keep all of them because I really like the colors.
Cut the in part off.
Sure. Don't mock me.
All right, we made a mess. That was
Yeah.
fun.
111. I'm sorry. I keep. What did you say?
It's Vault 111. That's why it says
Yeah.
111.
Thumbs up.
All right. Well, thanks everybody for helping me out, and wave it bye, everybody. We'll see you next time.